Hey, I look like a mess. Okay, so to whoever who subscribed to my channel, I'm sorry I haven't posted a lot recently, because, well, busy with school. I didn't have enough time to record and, you know. Recently I've gotten back into reading, and let's just say, I've read since I was young, but I stopped for a little while, and I gotten back to reading because of book talk on TikTok. I decided to pick up some books, so I've just got this in the mail, Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, and I've heard a lot about this, that it will make everyone cry. It did make everyone cry, so I was kind of pulled towards it, so I decided to buy it from Book Depository, and it was just delivered today. I've already read one of Colleen Hoover's books, that is It Ends With Us. I've read it. I loved it. Beautiful writing. I cried. My emotions were everywhere. I was angry, I was sad, I was happy, I was so many things, but most of all I did cry towards the end of the book, and it killed me. That book killed me. And seeing that this one is also famous around book talk and it made everyone cry, I've watched many TikToks and it made everyone cry, so I decided to pick it up as well. So I'm gonna start reading this, but tomorrow, because tonight I need some good night's sleep. I'll read it tomorrow. Yeah, and that's it. see you tomorrow then. Today, what is today? Okay, today is the 24th of September. Tomorrow is the 25th. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Full disclaimer, don't judge. This is my first ever reading vlog. I've never done it before. Decided to do it. Just one day decided to do it because I find it interesting to do, because I love reading. I've loved reading ever since I was at a young age, so I felt like I was called to do this vlog. Don't judge me, okay? It's my first time, first vlog. Yeah, that's it. Hey, so I didn't end up doing a vlog on the 25th to the 26th because I had my best friend's birthday celebration and sleepover and stuff, and we took like 2 days, like a whole weekend, so I didn't get to read. But I'm gonna read today, but for now I'm gonna be doing school like that. You can't see that, but I'm doing school. Yeah. Then I'll do the reading. Hey, so before I have another class later, but in the break I've read until page 36. I'm gonna start page 36 soon, and for right now I love Cap. He is just a sweet old man who feels like he's still young, because the way he carries himself is just God. Old people are just so sweet, and they're just so sweet. I've met Miles. I kind of felt sad that he cried, but he was drunk, so, and he was thinking about Rachel, and I don't know what he did or what Rachel did. I'm gonna find out soon. I And when I read that he has blue eyes that is like lighter, like it could be transparent, I was like, oof. Oof, I can see why Tate was like so caught up in his because of his eyes. So now I'm gonna go to class, and yeah, I'll read it, continue it later after class. Okay. Miles, Miles, Miles. That's it, just Miles. This man has me highlighting a lot of things on this book, and I'm not even mad about it. Like, what the hell? I'm already at page 112, and I'm already loving the book. I love Miles. I love Tate. She's bold. She's so bold. I just can't anymore. I wish I could be that bold. I would have a boyfriend by now. Single forever. Single life. Reading a contemporary romance or whatever romance book this is. And just, I feel so alone. I feel so alone, and I can't. Yeah. Really, really fun. So much fun. Mr. Miles with the orange juice and winked at her. It's their thing. The orange juice, the orange juice, the this is weird, I don't care line. It's their thing, and I am loving this. And Miles Archer. Rachel, no. I'm at page 142, and she's late, and I'm not ready. I'm not ready at all. Miles! Yes, the thing you did to Tate was horrible. It was horrible. The thing you did to Tate was horrible, but no explanation to why? I want to know. Okay, his two rules were don't ask about the past and don't expect a future. I understand that, but I am like Tate. I want to find out what is the reason that ruined him this much that he doesn't want a relationship with her, and ended it before he actually. I know he likes her, but ended it because he doesn't want to go through that pain again after Rachel. And I still have no clue what happened with him and Rachel, but. I'm almost at the end of the book, and I'm still wondering why. Okay, they had a moment. He promised her not to give her hope, but he actually kind of did. And I'm scared now. I still want to know why. What happened with him and Rachel that he doesn't want to experience love with Tate? You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm almost towards the end, and I'm not ready. Almost teared up. I got a scare. Oh my god, I was like, Corbin? Ian? Or Miles? Who is it? Like, yeah. I just went on TikTok while I was eating, and I realized there's a video about the book Ugly Love, and that the TikTok was literally saying that there's actually a song about it, literally called Ugly Love by Griffin Patterson or something. And my mission is to finish the book right now and listen to it and cry to it, I guess. If I do cry to this book, but you know. The hell? Mr. You're doing that in front of Corbin? You have no patience. I mean, if I were her, I would actually be fine with it. You know? Same time, like, have patience. This needs to take time. I understand the cover now. I can't say. Oh my god. I understand the cover of the book now, and I'm not happy. That was sad. So, I just finished. I'm hurt. I finished this last night, like around 11 o'clock. Maybe even earlier, I finished it. And I cried like crazy. As you can see, the clip for this. It killed me. And this man. Okay, first of all, Miles. I was pissed off that you couldn't tell Tate anything about why you don't want any relationship with her, having a relationship with her. Why? I've been racking my brain like, okay, I've seen TikToks like the water means something. The water in the cover page means something. And I was wondering, okay, someone drowned. Maybe he drowned. Maybe someone he knows drowned. I was wondering why. I found out why. How the water came to... Poor Miles! And then I regretted how I felt for Miles in the beginning, because I was like, why don't you want to be in a relationship? Why don't you want to fall in love with Tate? Tate is wonderful for you. And then I realized why. He experienced ugly love literally. And Tate, she has been patient, and I love her for that. She has given him so many chances, but realized that if he's not gonna change his mind about loving her one day, she has to walk away, right? So she did walk away, and I'm happy for her. And when it went to Miles' perspective, I was like, okay, and then Miles' perspective of the whole where the water come from, I started to cry. I was like, no, that cannot happen. Like, it's so sad. I was like crying my ass off. And when it reached to Rachel's paw, sorry, I had to do something just now. Back to where I was saying. Where was I saying? Oh, when it reached to Rachel's point of view, Rachel's perspective, I was like, okay, she's happy. Alright, she's really happy after 6 years of what she experienced with Miles. She's happy. She's finally happy. And when she brought Miles to that room, and she said that the line that hurt me the most, I can't say because I don't want to spoil anything for my best friend, because I am making her read this. I don't care. I cried my ass off. It's unbelievable how literally I was like towards the end of the book, like literally this much of the book, and I still haven't cried. And I was wondering, why haven't I cried? I was like, how do people cry? Like, which part did they cry in? Because I've already like have this much left of the book, and I still haven't cried. But when I reached that certain line, I bawled my eyes out until the end. And he is so sweet. Like, oh my god, hold on, look at what this man is doing to my book. I've highlighted a lot of things he said that makes me swoon, and I want him. I want Miles Archer. I want Miles Mikhail Archer. Is that not so? Is that? I have no words. Okay, that's me ranting. So right now I'm gonna make my best friend watch this. I don't care. I'm gonna make her, because I kind of like convinced her to read It Ends With Us, and she was actually open to reading It Ends With Us because my reaction of that book made her feel like I need to see what made her cry. So she's now reading It Ends With Us, and she's feeling the feels I felt when I first read that book, and I'm happy about it. And I'm gonna make her read these. The Ugly Love. I don't care. It's amazing. The emotions just creep up to you. Like, you won't expect it. You won't expect anything from this book. You know, I didn't expect when I was gonna cry. It just came. Like, It Ends With Us, I expected, because she was saying all those words, and I knew that somehow I'm gonna start crying. Somehow it's gonna happen, right? This, I don't even know when I was gonna cry, and it just happened. I had no clue. Yeah. So I'm not reading this book. I want to buy more of her books, but you know, I can't for multiple reasons. That's the end of my of Ugly Love, and literally I'm in the car, you know, waiting for my mom, and I'm thinking of all the things that made me cry last night, and I teared up again. That's how. But yeah, that's it then.